No. Oh my god. Let's go. I'm scared of this.
Now it's really snowy, huh?
Does that truck have chains?
Huh?
No. Just drive slow, please, because my heart rate is going up. Not full, but it's fucking scary. We almost got stuck back there. So wish me luck, you guys. I say you go back.
We're almost there. Be alright. You have to get snow tires or snow change or whatever.
My heartbeat's going like 100 million miles an hour.
Well, we got a Snickers bar. That's good.
We got a Snickers bar, half of a coffee, and some Chex Mix. And I'm stuck. This is what happened. He didn't want to buy chains, so now we're stuck here. Yeah, it's nice. So this is what I'm currently doing. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty fun. Let's see if I get to go back home. Let's see who's down the road.
Hey, get in the truck.
Let's see. Let's see. I already told. Just go around these people.
Just get a slow down.
Tell them they stop right in front of them.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh my god, thank god. I'm done. Oh my god, I'm so done. I'm fucking done. So we were stuck back there. But now we're stuck here. How is that for that ass? Oh, you guys, I should have just stayed home. I swear. I should have just stayed home. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. That's why they tell you to stay in your vehicle. You guys see this? Look. Eat straight shit. Thank god there's someone helping. Oh. Thank you, sir, right there, because I'm gonna get chorro after this, I swear. The videographer was recording for me. And we are currently stuck here in this beautiful place. This truck wants to hit us, but we are stuck here.
Yeah.
We're all stuck here. Let me show y'all what's happening. We're stuck. The fucking F150 Platinum won't give us more to do. Okay, we are finally being lifted. Could you clean the front so they could see that people are gone now? Oh. Right there, you could see that the people.
Alright, partner.
Yes, sir.
You think you can keep the wheel straight if I pull you?
Yeah.
Alright.
Where are we at now? Let's see.
We're all the way to the left. Right there is perfect. And no matter what you think happens, if you feel like you're sliding, don't hit the brakes. That'll throw me off, right? All right, boss. I'll just pull it up.
Don't take them off for one. Oh my god, yes. Thank God. Oh my god, thank God. Thank God, thank God, thank God. Oh. Yes. Yes. And you just keep the brake?
All right, partner, brakes for me.
Oh my god, you guys, we're out. Thank God, because I was shitting bricks.
Yeah, so was he able to use the plow?
Yeah, he's able to use his plow, but I'm trying to get everybody in.
This guy right here. White truck right here?
Yeah, trying to move. All right, boss.
So we've been on the side of the road for about 2 hours now, and this sucks. And my tires are not good enough to make it. So,
It's pretty right here.
oh, look who's there. Look at it.
Maybe we could do a snowball. Oh my god, I could. Oh my god, I could do a snowman.
Make a snowman, but I'm gonna roll up the window.
Imagine I break the window.
Do this.
Ooh, so we are still stuck in the middle of the road. Look how pretty this is. Vibes. We're waiting for the tow truck because we have no chains and we're not going to risk her crashing. She already had a little... Oh, I think she's fine. Nothing happened to her. Let me get back into the car.